You need only this exercise to live a healthy life. Who wouldn't want to live a long and healthy life? Everyone knows that regular exercise is the way to be and stay healthy. However, modern-day occupations put us in situations where we live a sedentary lifestyle, which can sometimes have detrimental effects on our health. For this reason, doctors advise simple exercises which can be performed easily at home. The exercise we are about to show you only takes 2 to 3 minutes to perform and have amazing results on health. But before getting to the exercise, let's measure our body's age with a test called the Schroeber Test. Your body's age can be different from your actual age. If you have a sedentary lifestyle, the elasticity of the muscles decrease, which add years to your body age. Now let's measure our body age with this test. It's quite easy to perform. The only thing you need to do is to bend forward slowly while keeping your back and legs straight. But please stop in case you feel any pain during the test. Now if you are ready, stand up and slowly bend forward. If you managed to bend as shown in this picture and put your palms on the floor, this means your body age is somewhere between 20 and 25. This is a pretty good result. If you managed to bend as shown in this picture and touch the floor with your fingertips, this means your body age is somewhere between 25 to 38. We can say that you are quite flexible. If you managed to bend as shown in this picture and touch the upper part of your feet with your fingertips, this means your body age is somewhere between 38 to 50. You may have felt the need to bend your knees and couldn't keep the position for long. You definitely would like to try this exercise to make your body age younger. If you manage to bend as shown in this picture and your hands only reach to your knees, this means your body age is over 50. It is clear that you lack elasticity and need to work your muscles. Of all the body age groups, you need this exercise the most. After testing our body age, we can now get to the exercise which you can easily do at home. It's a forward bending exercise which resembles the test we did before. The reason why it is so useful is that it makes your body much more flexible by working ligaments and soft tissues. According to the monks in Tibet, your body age depends on the condition of your liver, which is connected to the flexibility of your body. Therefore, by keeping our bodies flexible, we can keep our body age young and live a healthy life. Warning: people who have a herniated disc or an injured hamstring muscle at the back of the leg can skip this exercise. These people can perform the exercise very slowly without forcing their muscles after consulting a doctor. Also, knees can be bent to avoid pain in the back. How to perform the bending exercise? Although there are several of these exercises, we recommend the Jefferson curl exercise, which works the spine better. Please try to perform the exercise slowly in the beginning until your body gains some elasticity. Now let's see how the exercise is performed step by step. 1. Slowly tilt your head forward and bend your body from the waist. Let your arms straight down and keep your knees straight while bending. In the earlier stages, you can bend your knees a little, but this will pass as you gain elasticity. 3. Bend down as much as you can naturally. Do not force yourself. If you feel any pain or discomfort, stop immediately. 4. Wait for 3 to 4 seconds and slowly get back to the original position. Perform this exercise 30 times a day. You'll see the good results just within a month. You will be able to increase the number of repetitions if you continuously do it every day. You can also hold weights in hand after you become comfortable doing the exercise. A good method for starters is to drop 30 matches on the ground. With each bending forward, you can pick one match, which will make the counting easier.